There is a storm on Jupiter bigger than our entire planet. It's called the Great Red Spot. You could drop the whole Earth inside it, and it would vanish into the swirling clouds. This storm has been raging for at least 350 years. Imagine a hurricane that never stops. It has spun since before your great-great-grandparents were born. Now think about the winds inside it. They scream at over 400 miles per hour. That's faster than any race car you've ever seen. Faster than a passenger jet at takeoff. The strongest hurricane on Earth would feel like a breeze there. Here's something you can feel in your bones. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. A full day there lasts under 10 hours. Picture your morning alarm going off every 5 hours. The planet spins so fast it bulges at its middle. If you stood on it, you'd feel yourself flung outward. But you could never actually stand on Jupiter. It has no solid surface to hold you. It's a giant ball of gas and liquid. You would sink and never land. The pressure would crush you long before the bottom. Now look up at the night sky tonight. That bright that you sometimes see is Jupiter. It's so massive it's easy to spot with your eyes. You're looking at the biggest planet in our solar system. It's so large that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Think about that scale for a second. Every human who ever lived, every ocean, every mountain. All of it times 1,300 packed into one world. And Jupiter almost became something even greater. If it had gathered more gas, it could have been a star. It's often called a failed star. Just imagine two suns lighting up your sky. Here's a fact that touches your own safety. Jupiter acts like a giant shield for Earth. Its enormous gravity pulls in wandering comets and asteroids. Many objects that might hit us get swallowed by Jupiter instead. In a way, it's been protecting your life. It takes the hits so we don't have to. Now let's talk about something wilder than the storms. Deep inside Jupiter, scientists think it rains diamonds. The pressure squeezes carbon into solid gems. They drift down through the crushing depths. A shower of diamonds no human eye will ever see. Jupiter also has a secret you'd recognize. It has northern lights, just like Earth. But its auroras are hundreds of times more powerful. They glow with energy that would dwarf our own. If you've ever seen the northern lights, picture that. Now make it brighter than anything imaginable. Jupiter has rings too, though they're faint. You probably think of Saturn for rings. But Jupiter wears a thin, dusty ring of its own. It's made of tiny particles knocked off its moons. Speaking of moons, Jupiter has an incredible number. Scientists have counted around 95 moons so far. That's like a mini solar system of its own. One moon, Io, is covered in erupting volcanoes. It's the most volcanically active place we know. Lava fountains shoot dozens of miles into space. Another moon, Europa, hides a secret ocean. Beneath its icy shell lies liquid water. More water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And where there's water, there might be life. Right now, spacecraft are heading there to look. Let's come back to your body for a moment. On Jupiter, you'd weigh nearly 2.5 times more. If you weigh 150 pounds here, you feel like 350 there. Just lifting your arm would exhaust you. Every step would feel like carrying a person on your back. Your heart would strain against that heavy pull. And the Great Red Spot has been shrinking. 100 years ago, it was much wider. It used to be 3 times the size of Earth. Now it's closer to one Earth across. Scientists are watching it slowly shrink each year. One day, this ancient storm might finally disappear. You're living during the last chapters of its life. Here's one more thing you can picture tonight. Jupiter is so far away that sunlight takes time to reach it. Light we see instantly takes 43 minutes to arrive there. The sun looks 25 times fainter from Jupiter's clouds. Your bright afternoon would feel like a dim glow. Yet even that faint light powers those endless storms. And below those clouds, deeper still, things get strange. The hydrogen gets squeezed until it acts like metal. It becomes a liquid metal that conducts electricity. That's what powers Jupiter's monster magnetic field. It's the strongest of any planet in our solar system. So the next time you spot that bright point of light, remember, you're seeing a world with diamond rain and endless storms. A planet spinning so fast its days fly by. A shield that has quietly guarded your home. And a storm older than the telescope that first found it. Jupiter has been out there your whole life, turning. If these facts made you look up and wonder, subscribe to BetterNight and drift off to more tonight.